Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download August app to enable autolock and notifications step by step clearly. To download the August app, first, unlock your smartphone. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type August app, press the search button on your keyboard. Locate the official August app in the search results. Ensure that it is published by August Home Incorporated. Tap on the app icon to open its details page. Now, look for the download button. On an iPhone, this will be labeled as Get. On an Android device, it will say Install. Tap the download button to begin the installation. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once it's done, you will see an Open button. Tap on Open to launch the August app. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or log in. Allow necessary permissions for location and notifications. Connect the app to your August smart lock. Follow the prompts to enable autolock features. Customize your notification preferences within the app settings. Enjoy the convenience of the August app with autolock and notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.